Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be going through our morning routine and just showing you guys what we do every morning. So if you'd love to see that, then keep on watching. Yeah. So the first thing I do is get up and head to the washroom to brush my teeth. As you can see, Bear is usually up before me, so he'll sit around or go back to sleep until I'm ready to go get his food. So I'll brush my teeth and do my skincare routine. Try to do everything quickly because he will need to go out and do his business. After I'm done getting ready, we'll both go out. This is where I prep his food and he does all his stretching, usually on the carpet, every day. I like to joke that this is why he's so long, because he's always doing these wild stretches and he's long. So the first thing I'll do is grab his food bowl thingies. These are more like food trays. We wanted something that would slow down his eating but not make it hard for him to eat. I find that the flat-faced breeds need something a bit more flat, so it's not your standard slow feeder, but it still works great. He still eats really fast, but it does slow him down, which is good. We love Open Farm right now. They have great ingredients. We're using the Open Farm pasture-raised lamb kibble. So it has like apple, pumpkin, coconut oil. He loves it, which is great. So yeah, we just stick to the recommended amount based on his weight. So he gets half a cup scoop for breakfast, and I'll just divide it between the two bowls here. Then we have these Stella and Chewy freeze-dried raw beef toppers. I love this because it adds a different texture, it's more filling, and Beryl loves it. So I'll do half the recommended amount for his breakfast. I just soak it with a little bit of water and then pop it in. I'll usually add some fruit. We usually almost always have blueberries at home, so he'll get some blueberries for breakfast. And then when I'm doing his dinner, I'll try to chop up some baby carrots or celery if I have time. And yeah, his dinner is around 5 p.m. and he gets lots of snacks and treats in between. Now that it's ready, I'll bring it over, and he knows to stay while I get his water. He's very good at that. I pour in the water. And then I let him know that it's time to eat. So now that he's eating, he does eat really fast. That's what the tray is for. But I'll use this time to get dressed for his walk. And then once we're both done, I'll grab his harness, collar, and leash, and then we'll head out. So yeah, now we'll head out for his walk. I'll usually hurry because obviously he has to go and I always feel so bad, so we rush out. Once we're out, I'll say go potty and he'll do his business. I don't even need to say it anymore, but I just do out of habit. And then once he's done, we are off for our walk. His walks are pretty short. French Bulldogs don't need as much exercise as other breeds, so just 15 to 20 minutes. maybe a short walk in the evening. So we'll head back in now and I'll get off all his stuff, his collar, harness, and leash so he can be free. He absolutely hates wearing them, so he doesn't wear them inside. And then yeah, he'll get water immediately. It's important to bring water with you on walks if you are going far. We just have short walks, so it's fine, but in the summer and if we're going somewhere far like the park, then I make sure to have water as he gets really thirsty. Then I like to wipe his paws down. I just use baby wipes because they're extra sensitive. Any brand, as long as they're baby wipes and they have limited ingredients. I'll give him lots of treats, so he absolutely loves when it's time to wipe his paws. I'll also rub coconut oil on his paws to keep them soft. I do this because he gets pretty bad skin allergies and it's important to wipe his paws just to minimize the possible gunk or pollen from outside. He also loves coconut oil, so that in itself is a treat, and he'll keep trying to lick my hands as I do this. I'll also wipe his face if it's really dirty or he has some gunk in his folds as well. It's really important with French bulldogs. And that's it, guys. Now that that's all done, we'll just relax. I'll make myself a cup of tea and Bear will probably curl up on the couch next to me, or he'll take a nap. Maybe we'll watch the news together to start the day or just relax. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. We're so grateful to everyone that watches our videos. We've got some more videos lined up, so please stay tuned. Hope to see you guys next time. Bye.